Okay, so we're at Quartz today, and I'm going to go get my eyes tested and pick out a new frames. So let's go.
Greatness in me, so me excel. Feel like me I expel. In a God me I do. Greatness in me, so me must achieve. But me have to first believe and lock it. Cause
Alright, so we had to leave from Quartz because Quartz didn't take the health card that I have. So I'm now at Broadbent. I picked my glasses and everything, and I'm just waiting on the doctor to come to test my eyes and finish up with me. Nice. I like it. But I wanted something big and thick. No, it's not. Yeah, I like this.
Because at these, maybe because it's metal, it would
break easy.
Change.
This nice. This nice. I love this.
That's from That's from my style.
It's
just
nice.
Find the difference. She can't come back.
Oh wait, let me cut this off. That's what. They make it for my face. This is nice.
And it's different.
Right, I like how it have that twist. Yes. Yes. It look, and it kind of look like butterfly wings as well. It just gives that. Yeah. Yeah, I said a while ago. It's not oval, nothing. I said I wanted a black glasses and I'm going to leave with a yellow glasses. From shocking green to yellow.
Yes, you know you're going to say to test the eye.
Yes.
What's his surname?
Ellington. Alright, so I'm going to pick up my glasses. Alright, so I'm picking up my glasses. I'm kind of excited because I love these new frames. It's really pretty. So let's see. These are so nice. I love them so much. Most of them feel like my eye them transform. My goodness, right? Alright, so I got my glasses. I'll be breaking them in very soon because trust me, everything is very much more clearer now. So I'll be trying them on again. Okay, so it's time to break in the new glasses. So out with the old. So I got anti-reflective. I got an anti-reflective coating on these glasses. So it was recommended that I get an anti-reflective safe eyeglass cleaner. It said it's non-streaking, safe on glasses, plastic, and the coating. Apply to glasses lens surface, dry with a microfiber cloth that I indeed got in my glasses case. That's lint free. Do not put into eyes, do not ingest, don't use on contact lens. So, and it was only $230, so not bad. But this is going to take a little adjusting because the medicine in these, they were fairly worn out, and this, we can feel the strength in this. Like, if you wear glasses, you understand what I mean. Like, when the glasses is new, it basically feel like you want to dry your eye. So it take like a few days, so you get used to it and you get adjusted. But these, they're so nice. They are so nice. But I did learn from this experience though, if you can get a health card, get it, because this saved, my health card saved me 80%. So I only paid 20% of the cost for these glasses, and that was a huge save. So that's literally my lesson out of this, and my advice to anybody that is watching this: if you can afford to get a health card, do get it, because it does saves you in the long run. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys like my new glasses. I am definitely in love with them. Bye, see you in the next video.